Good morning, welcome to my channel. So I'm MrTieDye, and the other day I did a live video and did a sunflower tea using forceps, and I promised you guys a reveal, so this is it. So I've already batched this for 48 hours and I've done a good rinse on it to get the soda ash out. So now I'm just going to unband this and get it opened up. So on the clamps, this one here I banded closed. You just slowly pull these off and then let's open that up just a little bit. Oh yeah, we're gonna have some nice petals. So let me get set up here and we'll open this up. Okay, so here's the sunflower. If I can get a hold of it. There's my sunflower using the forceps. So I will get this washed and have. Okay, so after I did the live video with the forceps or Hemostat sunflower, I decided to do a couple more folded ones. So I decided to go ahead and reveal those here also. So let's get this opened up. So this is just a folded sunflower. So, and that one's on the front and the back. So, okay, and one more. So not all sunflowers are bright yellow. Some of them are darker color. So I made this one using orange, and then I mixed a little bit of bronze into it to give me this really deep orangey shade there. So anyway, so there's my sunflowers for the day. Thank you for watching. Oh, and stay tuned. I'm going to be doing another live video doing the geo design. So this one back here, you see? So I'm going to do that on a tapestry. This is a t-shirt here, but I'll be doing another live video. It'll be a long one, so I'll be answering a lot of questions that you guys have. So stick around and I'll be up later today.